The 2019 Toyota 4Runner Limited 4-wheel drive 7-passenger in Blizzard Pearl. As you see here, it's got the running boards, chrome handles, signal lights on the mirrors, 20-inch alloy rims with the brushed aluminum face and the black insides. Comes with fog lights, front sensors, backup sensors, chrome front grille. This is the Blizzard Pearl color with the brown Redwood interior. It's got a little bit of wood grain on the dash and the handle there. Power passenger seat, ventilated seats. It's a full-time 4-wheel drive system. So you have H4F, which for full, locking center diff, and then low. Dual climate control. As we look in the back here, it's got the child door locks, automatic windows all the way down and up in one shot. Also has the perforated leather in the back, 2 power outlets down below with rear vents. It also comes with rear vents just down below underneath that heat from the ground up. From the passenger side, if you pull the handle, the seat will slide forward so you can step to hop up into the back, where you'll have the 3rd row seat that'll come up with the but the tonneau cover's just in the way. It's got cup holders in the middle with a sort of an armrest there as well. Sunroof. So you come around the back here, wipers tucked up under the rear above the window. It's got your 4 backup sensors down below. Comes with a full hitch. Down below here you also see you got a 7 and 4 pin wire harness. Just up right there. Full size spare tire on an alloy rim. It's got the X-Riaz suspension built in the back and front. Because this is the Limited, it comes with push button start and smart key system, which lets you roll the window down or back up again from the back. It's got the rear bumper protector along there. And back here you got your JBL sound system, rear power outlets, 3rd row seating, which is optional on the Limited. Now on the driver's side here, you'll see you have memory seats. It has a full power driver's seat with the height adjustment just under your knees, and the whole seat itself goes up and down. Backup sensor control, rear power outlet. It has heated front windshield just underneath the wiper blades. Automatic headlights, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, and if you put your foot on the brake, it's got push button start. This one has a 4-liter V6 engine. Comes with navigation with the 3 different map modes, dual climate control, heated and air-cooled seats with USB and auxiliary input, rear outlet control there, nice center console with storage for Kleenex and stuff, and it's got all your vehicle skid control, automatic traction, downhill acceleration, and everything built up top. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. It's Mike Linterman at Mayfield Toyota, or comment below. And please like and subscribe to see more features.